Hi there, if you want to know that how to take a screenshot with gesture on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then this video is for you. First, you have to open settings on your S25 Ultra device, then scroll down and you will find advanced feature. Simply tap on it. Now from here you will find motions and gestures. From here you will find palm swipe to capture. Make sure that it is enabled in these settings. If you find like this, simply tap on it once and you can turn on this toggle button to turn on this gesture like palm swipe to capture. Now you have to swipe from the edge of your S25 Ultra to capture a screenshot. As you can see, I have just captured a screenshot on my S24 Ultra device. Now it will allow you to capture a screenshot with gesture. That's how you can take a screenshot with gesture on your S25 Ultra. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.